Hi, this might just be the simplest side hustle you can start this year, especially if you're retired. No tech overwhelm, no chasing friends and family, no complicated setup. Hi, I'm Christine, and if you used to believe that starting an online business was too complicated, too technical, well, I've got some news for you. Retirement made me rethink what freedom really looks like. It's not about clocking out forever. It's about choosing how you want to live and earn. Before I walk you through the exact system I found, one that made sense, I want to offer you something completely free. It's a simple PDF called a Freedom Starter Blueprint. It breaks down into steps what I took to start this business from zero experience to having a fully automated setup. The link to download it is right below this video. Now let's talk about some real things. I didn't figure this out overnight. Before this, I tried Amazon FBA. I sold print-on-demand shirts on Etsy. I've done Amazon KDP books. I created coloring books and puzzle books, and most of them never sold. I sold maybe one or two a year. And I even tried to create my own digital products. But without an audience and not knowing how to sell, the products just kind of sat there. I spent more time trying rather than actually earning. What finally changed was when I stopped guessing and started researching. What are people looking for online? What problems are they actively trying to solve? And where's the money already flowing? That's when I found a digital system that came with a built-in website, pre-written emails, step-by-step training, and master resale rights so I can earn 100% of the profit without building something from scratch. And I don't share the profits with anyone. There's no monthly fees, no monthly subscriptions or anything. So let's take a look back, though, at why digital marketing is exploding right now. I think a lot of people are searching every day for how to make money online, how to work from home, how to retire early, how do I create passive income. It's not a trend. It's a giant shift in how people are thinking and earning. And you might stop and think, well, I'm not techie. I don't want to sell to friends. I don't want to be one of those people. Same here. I didn't want to message anyone. Been there, done that. I've contacted friends and family with other party type businesses I've sold before. I didn't want to have Zooms or, do anything like that. I want a system that was automated. I learned how to use a system that does the presenting, the explaining, the email follow-up, and even closing the sale. I call it my freedom machine because it works even when I'm away from my computer, spending time with family, traveling, relaxing, whatever. It's working behind the scenes for me. One of the tools that I use is software called System.io, and here's why I love it. It's free for up to 1,000 email subscribers. It handles the funnels, the emails, the payments, the website all in one. There's no monthly cost. And I use the free version right now, and I will until my business grows bigger where I really need to upgrade, but that's going to take a long time. The program that really helped me get started is a fully built digital business. There's 4 ready-to-sell products. It's an automated system. You get full master resale rights, step-by-step training, and an encouraging and inspiring support community. It was like getting a complete business in a box. All I had to do was learn, apply, and grow. If you're looking for a side hustle that actually makes sense, this might be your path too. There's no inventory. There's no tech overwhelm, no starting from scratch. You don't really have to do much but follow the system. Just follow it. Again, if this sounds interesting, I invite you to click for your free PDF. It'll walk you through how this works step by step. No pressure, no hype, no obligation. It just lays it out for you. So don't think you're too old or you're too late. You're just one decision away from a whole new kind of freedom. Especially in retirement, this is something we can all do. So thanks for watching. Grab your free PDF.